Look, kids, this is mango. It's sweet, juicy, and called the king of fruits. Look, kids, this is apple. It can be red, green, or yellow and is very healthy. Look, kids, this is banana. It's yellow, soft, and sweet, and gives you lots of energy. Look, kids, these are grapes. They come in bunches and can be green, black, or red. Look, kids, this is orange. It's round, juicy, and full of vitamin C. Look, kids, this is pineapple. It has a spiky outside but is sweet and juicy inside. Look, kids, this is watermelon. It's big, green outside and red with black seeds inside. Look, kids, this is strawberry. It's red, small, and has tiny seeds on its skin. Look, kids, this is blueberry. It's tiny, round, and full of antioxidants. Look, kids, this is papaya. It's orange inside and helps in digestion. Look, kids, this is kiwi. It's brown outside and bright green inside. Look, kids, this is peach. It's soft, sweet, and has a fuzzy skin. Look, kids, this is plum. It's round, juicy, and can be sweet or sour. Look, kids, this is pomegranate. It's red outside and has shiny seeds inside. Look, kids, this is cherry. It's small, red, and has a delicious taste. Look, kids, this is coconut. It has hard shell outside and water inside. Look, kids, this is dragon fruit. It's pink outside and white with black seeds inside. Look, kids, this is guava. It can be green or yellow outside and pink or white inside. Look, kids, this is blackberry. It's dark purple and very juicy. Look, kids, this is lemon. It's yellow, sour, and full of vitamin C.